Welcome to online classes, students. So let's start our EVS class. Firstly, we will learn from our previous classes like we have done yesterday, living and non-living things, right? So let's revise it and then we will do our worksheet, because worksheets also are important part of our subject, right? EVS. So you all having these three kinds of having these, okay? So students, let's firstly revise that our previous chapter as living things and non-living things. First point, things which live and grow and as called as living things, such as plants, animal, birds, human beings, right? So these all are known as living things which grow just like us, okay? And yes, the other ones, those who don't, okay, they don't have life in it, okay, they known as living things, right? Such as chairs, table, cars, whatever the living thing which we created, humans created, that is man-made, and then these kind of things don't have life, right? They can't grow, so these are non-living things, okay? So we have differentiate about the living thing and non-living thing. In the last, what we learned that how they breathe, how they grow, how they feel the touches, how they having different different sensitive organs than others. Like we learn about butterfly, we learn about lotus, we learn about touch me not plant. So how they feel and how they given their expressions, right? So living and non-living thing is our topic. So this is our revision. So let's do our worksheet. As in the worksheet, I can see where the living thing is the first chapter. You can see we have done it, right? But we will deal with not only the worksheet 1, we will do the worksheet 2 also, worksheet 3 also, 4 also, because all these worksheets are related to our chapters which we have done already, right? You can see on the worksheet 1, which is related to our living thing, which means that is related to our chapter 7, assessment 2. And then worksheet 2, you can see in the worksheet 2 what you have to do, just you have to recognize the plants and the animals. So we can also relate it to this chapter, living and non-living thing, where we have learned so many things about plants and animals, right? You can easily see this, okay? So this kind of picture is given into your worksheet. We have to do this, worksheet 2 also, okay? So let's go the other one also. In the worksheet 3, you can see more about plants. As in the previous one, we are learning about some plants and animals, right? Some exercises which they are doing in the picture, right? And in the worksheet 3, what we going to learn? We learn some about how they give us plants, right? What they give us to us. So we will learn from this, okay? In the worksheet 4, you can see breathe in and breathe out, which means we are going to learn about the lungs. How we breathe in, which means how we inhale and how we exhale, right? Okay? सांस अंदर को लेना और सांस बाहर को छोड़ना. Okay? So इस worksheet में, worksheet 4 में, we learn about breathe in and breathe out, right? So you can see here, the picture is given to us, right? And we have to show them show by their writing their names. And yes, in this last sentence, we know about how they working, right? How they work by this organ. So we will fill it. Okay. So you can see worksheet 4 is about our lungs, and in the worksheet 5, our body, and the sixth one is sense organ. Okay. Let's do these all because these are all important for us. And yes, these days like Wednesday and Thursday is for our worksheet, right? And 3 days for our EVS chapters. So we should do the all things. By doing worksheet, you will learn your chapter easily. You will, you can give yourself a more example of your chapters. Okay. So let's do the living thing. Okay. In the world around us, our environment, it has many wonderful things. Some of them are living while others are non-living. As I explained to you that whole world is divided into two sections, which is one is living thing and other is non-living thing. Living things have special characteristics, which means features like how they grow, how they feed, how they grow, how they reproduce. So all these kind of features are only in the living thing. So you can see only in living thing these characteristics. So let's do the match the characteristics of the picture shown here. Okay. Now you can see on your right side there is a child, a donkey, right? And there is a man and a small child, right? Which means you can see that is matched with the living things reproduce, which means a man can reproduce another generation, or you can say another man or woman, okay, a child. Then in one picture a boy is eating food, and the another one there is a feeling of fire, right? So we have to express by matching them by pictures, right? So as second is living things react to their environment. How they react? So you can show them by a girl. A girl is, okay, you have to match the second one with the girl. Is that emotion of fear? So this is only feature in living things, right? So come to third. Living things breathe. You can see who is breathing. This picture of child is breathing now, right? So we can match the third one with this child. Okay. Living things need food. So we can see living things need food. Where the child eating food, right? So simply we can see this. As living things grow, right? So living things grow as you can see, okay, living things grow. Living things move. As you can see, donkey can move from one place to another. So we can, the last one is we have to match with the donkeys, okay, donkeys. So we have matched. So as we have done our chapter today, so you can see this and please date it, right? We done our first worksheet. Let's go to second worksheet. So second worksheet, there are different kinds of plants and animals in the world. We all know that there are different kinds of plants and different kinds of animals, right? Now in this by this picture we have to do the same thing, as we have to match the column, match the pictures with the definition, right? Just like the example given to us, flowering a shop, which means a rose, right? So we have done this one, and you can see the second one is plant with a weak stem, right? Those who can't stand by themselves, they having a stand for they having help of something which they can grow. So you can see this one is money plant. Money plant help to grow, okay, which are very weak stems. So you can easily match a plant weak stem. A grass eating animal, you can see there is a cow who is a grass eating animal, right? So this one is also done. Third one, an edible herb. So you can see here there is tulsi. We can eat it also, right? So this one is edible, right? So fourth one is also done. Then a bird that cannot fly. You can see here is a penguin picture which cannot fly, and yes, this one is known as bird, right? Okay. We have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have done 5. Come to 6. A root that stores food, which means a root that stores foods. They having their fruit in their roots. So you can see here the carrot is given to us. This one is one of the fruit for us, right? Carrot. So this one is 6th one. As I have matched them. Okay. Now the next one is waves a web to catch insects. Who waves to catch the insects? Who live in the web? Yes, spider. So you can see here spider. We will match it with the web one. So we have matched with the web, right? Webs are okay. Now our national bird. We should know that our national bird is peacock, right? Peacock is our national bird. So you can see I'm going to match the last one with the peacock, right? Okay. There is some science activity of making a hanging jellyfish by painting ice cream cups. So these kind of interesting artworks you can share with your art teacher on Saturday. Okay. Let's do the worksheet number 3. Okay, in the worksheet number 3, which is more about plants, right? More about plants. As in the pictures we learn how they relate to the pictures, right? We have to match the column. But we will learn something from this worksheet, what they give us, right? How they give us. Like, first one is put a tick against the correct sentences. Plant can make their own food. As we know that they can make their food by sunlight, water, right, and air. So this one is true. So there is, we can see they given to us the answers here, right? And then go to all fruits are edible, which means all fruits are edible. No, some fruits are not edible, right? And yes, seeds are always soft. No, all seeds are not soft. We can see the other seeds are very hard for us, right? And yes, we use many plants product in our lives. Yes, we use many plant product in our life. Pulses, they come from the plant. Cotton, they come from the plant, right? So many things which are come from the plant. The herbs, shrubs give us medicine. So much medicine that is come from plant. You can see. So the last one is true, right? Which means stay. Now we have to do the match the following. So you can see simply here small black seed, which means pepper, and seeds with water in it is coconut, because we can see inside of coconut there is water. So this simply we can match it with the coconut. Cereals, as we all know, that is rice and wheat, right? And yes, then come to white seed as white seeds. So this one is cashew nuts. Okay. The second one. And yes, dals known as pulses. So you can see the first one with the fourth one, the second, okay, with the fourth, cereals, which means rice and wheat, white seeds, which means cashew nuts, dal, which means pulses. Okay, we have done our match column, which is come to on second, right, after the true false. Let's do this one also. There are some species given to us and we have to match about them, right? That is more about animals. So spider. What's the spider do? Spider trap insect in a web. So the match column is done by already in the worksheet. You can see first one. Okay. Now let's do the other one, which is crocodile. So crocodile we can see found both on land and water, has sharp pointed teeth. Okay, they also found on the land, and yes, they also found it in the water. Okay, butterfly, that is an insect. Okay, that is an insect. Shark, a meat eating water animal. A meat eating water animal, that is shark. That is live in water, that's why it's called water animal. And they eating this meat. So that's why it's known as meat eating water animal, right? Then come to rhinoceros. So who's it rhinoceros? So this one known as huge plant eating land animal. Okay, this is rhinoceros. Yes, they don't eat meat. Okay, that's why they are huge, which means they are big inside. Okay, they are giant, but they only eat the plants. They are vegetarians. So we can do this with the rhinoceros, with the first one. Now giraffe, as we all know, they having a long neck, plant eating animal, so we can match them with the third one, right? So we have done this. Okay, as you can see, the first one and then second one, both match the columns are done. And in the last, we can see the names of some common animals are given below. Divide them into the groups by putting 1, 2, 3 dots. Okay, so we have given 3 things that eat only plants, which only eat plants. Then second ones, they eat only meat. These are animals, right? Some eat plant, some eat animals, which means some eat meat. And yes, some of them, they eat both, which means plant and animals too. So you can see, so you have to divide them by yourself. You all know that crocodile eat only meat, and yes, the cow only eat plants. So you have to differentiate it, right? Thank you, students.